Dear friends from ZEE TV, on the eve of the FIFA World Cup final between Spain and Argentina, I want to thank you, my friends at ZEE TV, for everything you have done to promote football in India. I'm very proud of our partnership, which encompasses 39 FIFA competitions, including the FIFA Women's World Cup 2027, FIFA Youth World Cups, futsal tournaments, and the FIFA Intercontinental Cup. This ensures that football can now be presented as a continuous narrative in India, not just as something that happens every 4 years. We know that India is a passionate football country and that the Indian market enjoys huge potential, something I witnessed for myself when I visited the country for the FIFA Under-17 World Cup in 2017 with a record-breaking attendance of over 1.3 million fans, and the FIFA Under-17 Women's World Cup 5 years later. I also visited India in 2020 for an IOC meeting, and I have been honored to meet India's most capped and highest scoring international, former captain Sunil Chhetri. And your beautiful country has been very much present at the FIFA World Cup 2026 with players of Indian heritage representing other national teams, including New Zealand, Australia, Qatar, and the Democratic Republic of Congo. And there have been thousands of Indian supporters among the 6.5 million fans to have attended matches across the 16 host cities, many of them adopting other teams such as Argentina, Brazil, Portugal, or England. I'm delighted that ZEE TV has attempted to take the tournament beyond private television viewing by allowing authorized screenings in venues such as cinemas, pubs, restaurants, airports, and hotels. You have created and you have helped to create communal match night experiences across the country. This is a wonderful initiative and does immense good for our game. I thank you once again for everything you have done to boost our sport in beautiful India, and of course, I look forward to the day when we can welcome India to the FIFA World Cup. Thanks for your support of football. I wish you all the very best. Take care and bye-bye.